Today we're going to talk about adding decimals, and here's the quick part of the lesson. If you are adding 1 3/10 plus 2 72/100, here's the short thing. This is the one thing you need to remember. Line up the places. Line up the decimal points. So I put the 2 over here and the 7-2 here and add them up. That's the short part of this lesson. So if there's one thing that you remember, when you're adding decimals, I want you to line up the decimal point. 2 plus nothing is 2, 7 plus 3 is 10, 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 4, and drop it like a rock. And it falls right where it needs to be, 4 2/100. That is the short part of our lesson today. And that's really all you have to remember. But I kind of want to show you why this works, because it does look a little bit funny when you have this. It looks like a 2-digit and a 3-digit, but you have to remember about place value. We're adding the hundredths together. It just so happens there's no hundredths. We're adding the tenths together, and we're adding the ones. So the first thing you need to remember when you're adding up decimals, numbers with decimals in them, what am I going to do with these? I'm going to go ahead and line up the decimal points. 1 plus nothing is 1, 7 plus 3, 10, 4 plus 1 plus 2 is 7. I take the decimal point and drop it like a rock, and I have my answer. That's a super easy first step for us to remember.